Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to search for only channels on YouTube. Why would you want to know how to search for only channels on YouTube? Well, maybe it is your first time using YouTube and not sure how to search for only channels on YouTube. So today I am going to show you how to search for only channels on YouTube. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Searching for only channel is quite simple and the process is easy to do. First of all, open any browser. Now write youtube.com in search bar. Now you are seeing search bar at the top center. Search a channel and then press search, or you can simply press enter. Now you are seeing search filter in right side. Click on it. Now in type section, you are seeing different options. Click on channel. Now you will only be able to see channels. There you go. If you wanted to know how to search for only channels on YouTube, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.